How to fix the CapCut export error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this CapCut's export error whenever you try to export a new video, here are the solutions that should help. First and foremost, check for the available storage on your device. CapCut can fail to export if your phone has low storage. So first and foremost, you can delete the unnecessary files, you need to check for your CapCut server. Aim for at least 2 to 3 GB of free space for smooth exporting. Sometimes the outdated versions may also have the export bugs. To fix it, head over to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for the CapCut. If there is an update button, make sure to tap on it to get the latest version. Sometimes it could also be the problem with export resolution and frame rate. Tap on this button right on the left of the export button, and then you can decrease the resolution from 4K to 1080p or 720p. Likewise, also decrease the frame rate from 60 fps to 30 fps. This can make the export file smaller and less demanding on your device. Similarly, if you have any corrupted clips, in that case, you can remove such files, audio clips or effects and re-import the file in a different format if needed. Moving on to the next solution, head over to your home screen. Search for the CapCut application, long press it and then you will see the option of battery. Tap on it and then make sure it is on optimized or unrestricted. These modes can limit performance and expose export failures if it is in restricted. After that, head over to storage and cache and then clear the cache. Similarly, if your project is very long or has many effects, in that case, you can split it in smaller parts, export them separately and then combine them later. This way, if nothing works, uninstall and install the app to reset all settings and you should be good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.